Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Trust Wallet, unlock with your PIN or biometrics, and tap the rewards or points icon on the home screen to begin the redemption flow. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version from the official store before attempting any redemption so you access current offers and the proper UI. Check your points balance. Many options require a minimum 100 points, and balances update within minutes after qualifying actions. If you see a pending balance, wait up to 24 hours or refresh the wallet to reflect earned points. Select a reward category such as gift cards, partner vouchers, token swaps, or transaction fee credits from the rewards menu. Each item lists a points cost and any dollar equivalent. Verify the specific cost in points and the presented dollar value before confirming redemption so you know what you receive and any applicable limits. Complete any required KYC or email verification steps immediately when prompted, because certain redemptions require identity confirmation and will not process without it. When you are ready, tap Confirm and follow prompts. If a token swap or on-chain transfer is needed, approve associated gas fees and network selection. Token redemptions normally appear in your wallet within 2 to 30 minutes depending on network congestion, while digital gift cards or vouchers usually arrive by email within minutes. Track status in rewards history inside Trust Wallet and allow up to 48 hours before contacting support. Include your transaction ID, email, and a screenshot to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.